Hi everyone, welcome to Sensory Play 101. I'm teacher Sylvia, and today we will learn how to choose wet sensory bases for your child. Wet sensory bases are bases that expand in water. They are generally messier and wet, but that's the whole fun of playing with them. Some examples we will explore today are water beads, sludge, instant snow, goop, and shaving foam. Children love playing with water beads because they are amazing and versatile. The little beads are made from a water-absorbing polymer, and as the beads absorb water, they will grow bigger. It's colorful, smooth, squishy, and cool. We love water beads and have included them in many themes as well, such as Under the Sea and Little Mermaid. Sludge is made from baking soda and water. It's a fantastic texture for children to play with. It is great as it's safe for little ones who may get a little in their mouths. Plus, you can include them in any themes like Frozen or even snow-related themes. Another favorite sensory base is instant snow. Instant snow feels like real snow and is cool to touch. If you add in some food coloring, it may resemble certain things like sand, soy, and many more. It's easily put together by having instant snow powder and a cup of water, and see, it instantly fluffs up. Shaving foam is another great sensory material for children to explore with. Plus, it's a highly versatile material and it can be used in many themes like cake, ice cream, and even clouds. Finally, we explore a complex and interesting material that children often like playing and experimenting with. Wool black, or commonly known as goop. Sometimes it acts like a solid, and sometimes it acts like a liquid. Wool black is a non-Newtonian fluid. If you punch at it quickly, it feels like a solid. But if you hold some in your hand, it will ooze out of your hands like a liquid. You can certainly use goop for themes like river, jungle, and many more. As you can see, there are tons of options for wet sensory bases. Be sure to think about what is safe for your little one when choosing one for your child. Don't hesitate to experiment with different textures and colors. We've come to the end of this episode for choosing wet sensory bases. Till next time, bye!